Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hi there, I'm Jessica, and I'm thrilled to take you on a relaxing beach walk in Sitges, Spain in 2023. We'll explore the gorgeous Mediterranean beaches and get a sense of the local culture and architecture. Along the way, I'll provide some insider tips and tricks and tell you a bit more about Sitges and its destination appeal. But before we get started, please help me out by giving the video a like and subscribing to my channel so you don't miss any of my future videos. Ready? Here we go. We can start by walking along the Passeig Maritime, the seaside promenade. Here you'll have plenty of opportunity to admire the turquoise blue Mediterranean Sea and check out the luxuriously renovated sailboats that make Sitges a sailor's paradise. Further on, you'll come across the La Barceloneta beach. This is one of Sitges' most popular beaches and a great spot for catching some waves. The locals love to play beach volleyball in between dips in the crystal clear water, so if you're feeling up to it, why not join them? As we make our way north, make sure to take a break in the Paseo de las Palmeras Botanical Garden. This lush park is the perfect place for relaxing picnic, so if you brought snacks, now is the time to settle down amongst the palm trees and freshen up. Afterwards, you'll find the quaint harbor, a picturesque harbor with a strong sense of tradition. Here, you can admire the fishing boats as they come and go, wafting in the smell of the ocean and capturing some magnificent moments of the sunset. As we head back towards the beach, meander through the narrow cobblestone streets. Here you'll find a series of inviting galleries and arts tours, filled with some wonderful pieces of article. And as we make our way towards home, be sure to check out the fantastic beach clubs and venues.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!